different brands of rangefinders. Yan, simulan ko sa Budget Mill. To Aeros brand, built-in yung battery up to 600 yards. Discovery D600 model up to 600 yards din. May battery compartment dito, so hindi siya built-in. Element Helix 1.5 up to 1,500 yards. May battery compartment din, hindi built-in ang battery. Removable ang battery. Ito with ballistic calculator na. So gagawin ko to ng different video para makita nyo yung features nitong isang maganda natin na element rangefinder. Ito naman ginagamit kong isa, Vortex naman. Wala kami available nito. Bali, order basis lang if ever gusto nyo. Yan, ito yung dalawa kong ginagamit. Element Helix and Vortex.